Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video about using the envelope tool, and I started thinking I'm going to catch some slack for not doing it this way also. So I've still got my nudge factor 0.03. I'm going to make a duplicate of that because that's how tall my text is. Then I'm going to take my 2-point line, and I'm just going to hold down the control button and draw 2 lines. And if you were really want to do this, maybe the best way would be to measure, get your parallel dimension tool and measure the distance between there and there. So we're 0.17. So you could make another line, Control D, put it in the center of the page, move it down to our arch, and then change your nudge distance to 1.7 and nudge it over. Well, that didn't work. Maybe it was 1.17. 1.17 is what it was. Let's get rid of our indexing line so we won't hit it. And let's move this line over. Now we're equal. Take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. That's going to be our shape. Let's just nudge it up out of the way. Let's move that out of the way. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Let's left click, right click, and we've made a shape. Now with this selected, go up to the effects in this window, not down here in this envelope, but this envelope, and you'll get your Docker. You've got your text selected. Press right here, create an envelope form, and then just press inside of there, and it will arch your letters to that form. Probably a lot better way. I just wasn't thinking when I made that other video, but sometimes this might not work. But if you have your arch, that'll work from there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.